What's up, my ponios? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to share with you guys this content here, guys. This is the silicone case from the folks at Sandmarc that will level up your content creation. It's a great way to be able to have on the go, and it's made of high quality material to be able to suit your lifestyle. What's cool here is it fits their lens line here, and it's a great way here to be able to use their products on the go. The features include dual lens mount for your tele and wide. It's made out of polycarbonate material and has an aluminum mount finish for the camera mount. On the inside, it's lined with a microfiber lining, and it does include Magsafe compatibility. It's very lightweight, just under 40 grams. With that said, ponios, Sandmarc did not sponsor this video. They didn't even send this to me. I did spend my own money, but it is sponsored by the channel sponsor, Anker. 15% off. You can get a code at the end of the video here if you guys want to on your first wrist strap, leather case, leather wallet, leather bag, all that good stuff. With that said, let's go ahead and unbox this, show you what you're getting yourself into, and see the different features of this product. Unboxing is super straightforward here. It's made out of packaging that can be recycled, which I like. There it is. It's silicone, it's super clean, it's matte, and then you can see it's offset with that really cool anodized aluminum. Really, really clean in the hand. It's really high quality material that's glued in there. It's got a polycarbonate core here, which is nice. On the inside here, you can see that it's got the microfiber lining, Magsafe, and all that good stuff. It's wrapped all the way around the case, which is clean, and you even have a little slot here for a wrist strap, which is cool. Coming up close here, as you can see, they've got it glued nicely here with the anodized insert there. You also have an anodized buttons here for your power button, volume rocker, and they even added the action button, which is nice. You've got a little thread here for a wrist strap if that's something you're interested in. Punch outs for the eye on the bottom. And then around the center here, you've got this really nice liquid silicone here that's super soft and antimicrobial. You can see that the camera button does jet out quite a bit, but it's nice and recessed on the inside to be able to fit your camera. It's super tight and straightforward. I really like that. I like the matte black against the titanium black, which is really clean in the hand. And the buttons are all super clicky with no problem here. The leather one, I actually had an issue with the clickiness of the button, but on this one, I don't. It's really nice. I think that's really clean. Let's go ahead and pull out the wide lens here from the folks at Sandmarc. It's got that 17mm threading, which I think is the best of the threading. Not a lot of these lenses are available, so you can go ahead and opt into the wide here. It just screws right in. You don't want to overdo it. Take the lens cap off, and there you have it. That looks so sleek. It just looks really sleek in the hand. I really like that. Let's go ahead and take it off and put it on the other threading here. It's gonna fit the 5X, which is gonna be interesting. A wide with a 5X. You might want to opt into their 2X tele, but looking at that, it looks great in the hand. If you wanted to opt into something that's content creation friendly here, you can throw on the SnapGrip. It's not gonna impede on the lens, which is nice. They kept that in mind. Looking at that, it's pretty tight. You can grip on here. It looks really clean in the hand. Shutter button, 5,000 milliamp battery. It'll start charging, which is nice. You even have a tripod mount, selfie grip, all that good stuff. You can throw on something for travel friendly like this Anker battery. It just clips right on there and looks fine in the hand. Having that there is gonna be able to allow your content creation to go that much longer. There we go, it starts to charge. Super clean in the hand. Andar in Spanish means to carry, and this is my everyday carry here for my iPhone 14, my iPhone 15. Andar features a wide variety of high-end luxury leather goods, including bags, handbags, wallets, cases, watch straps for your Apple Watch, and wallets to boot. I love my Aspen, which comes in a myriad of different colors. If you want to opt into the brown for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, or if you wanted to opt into the camel tan, this is great here to be able to level up. I also have the watch strap, which is a great way to be able to add to your Apple Watch and have luxury on the go. Andar sources the leather ethically, and they have excellent customer service in the event you have a question, a concern, or a need. Check out down below in the description for a 15% off code using Tech Influence for a coupon here on your first order. Check out those links as well, as they do help out the channel. Well, my ponios, 15% down below if you want to get your hands on your first case. This is the Aspen. It's my favorite here. Use Tech Influence to get that, especially during the holidays here where stock is going fast. With that said here, I think Sandmarc made a nice case. It's better than the leather here, and it's a little bit more affordable price. I like how you can integrate their cameras in here, but their camera's a little bit more expensive than some of the other products in the market. My only thing here, it was very difficult to be able to take it out of the case. So you know, it is really tight fit, but if you're one that likes to switch cases out, then be cognizant of that. With that said, here's a sponsored video from the folks at Anker. I'll have a couple of links down below if you're interested. With that said, guys, thanks so much for watching. Andy with Tech Influence. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.